Ilham.
Hi.
What happened to you?
Yeah, you look so upset.
Yes, I think my professional life is stuck. My team cannot reach the goal. I don't know what's missing here. It is from my team or from my leadership style. I think I cannot lead this team.
Astrid, I have an idea. Why don't we tell him about our favorite leadership books?
Ah, that's a great idea.
Leadership books?
Yes.
What book is that?
The book is 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership. Leadership ability is always the lead on personal and organizational effectiveness, and it determines a person's level of effectiveness. If the leadership is strong, the lead is high. If the lead is high, you can reach the highest level of effectiveness. The true measure of leadership is influence, nothing more, nothing less. If you don't influence, you will never be able to lead others. If you can influence, they don't follow. And if they don't follow, you're not a leader. That's the law of influence. So, what anybody try to tell you, remember, leadership is influence. Do you want to be a leader? Yes, you can do it. Everyone has the potential, but it's not accomplished overnight. It's like investing in a stock market. If your hope is to make a fortune in a day, you're not going to be successful. Remember, leaders doesn't develop in a day. It takes a lifetime. Anyone can steer the ship, but it takes a leader to chart the course. Navigation is not only about making a plan, but also how to prepare and to ensure that the plan will be very well executed, not only by you, but also by your team. So if you live by the law of navigation, you can take your team just about anywhere.
And the other laws are every message that the people receive is filtered through the messenger who delivered it. Credible messenger will make the people believe idea and believe in it 100%. After that, the vision will go along with the people they get. When the crisis situation or pressure hit us, let's push us at our best by using each member team using unique skill. Because each member is like parts of body. To do its best, it needs all its part, each doing its own job. A leader provides the motivation, empowerment, and direction required to win, dedicated to raising players to their potential. Remember, there is no plan B. Always continue to win. Momentum is a leader's best friend, which only thing that makes difference between losing or winning. With momentum, the future looks bright and obstacle appear small. Momentum begins inside the leader. It begins within the individual leader. It starts with energy, vision, passion, and enthusiasm. Once you have it, you can do almost anything and see forward progress. Please remember, business does not equal to productivity. Activity is not necessarily accomplishment. You can do doesn't mean that you should do it. So, you can use Pareto principles. It means if you focus on the activities that rank in top 20% in terms of importance, you will have an 80% return on your effort. Ilham, how we can join with Arman and Anton? Maybe both of them can give us any insight about the book.
I'm not sure, but let's see what we can find out.
Okay, let's go. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hey, that's the book we told you about earlier. Could you please share your view about the book to Ilham?
Of course, leader add value by serving others. It's not easy to serve others without intention. We must out of our comfort zone. To make it easier, you can start from your closest. What is tied the organization? It's trust. Leader must maintain trust. Bad decision from leader can erode the trust from the follower. And one time, trust will be finished, will be gone. In that time, your leadership is ruined. Because trust is the foundation of the leadership. People naturally follow the stronger than himself. To make stronger, it can gain by natural, that's give. Or you respect others, or from the courage. because leader courage is a hope for the follower. Your loyalty, success, and the add value to the others can make your leadership stronger. This is iPhone, one of the biggest innovation in this era. How can make it happen? Steve Jobs. Why Steve Jobs? Steve Jobs reinvent Apple from just a computer corporation into that corporation we can see now. When Steve Jobs returned to Apple as executive, he reached people, he reached organization, and then he make a decision with the leadership bias to change and shift the focus. He followed intuition. When you feel dissatisfied with your follower, must be something wrong with you, because who you are is who you attract. That's a law of magnetism. To grow an organization, grow the leader, because organization is the extension from the leader. You can start to grow your leadership with a mentor that willing to help you grow.
I can share what I get from this book to you. To be effective leaders, you need to connect people. You have to show that you really care and want to help them. People don't care how much you know until you know how much you care. You have to know your people, their name, where they live, their histories, and anything else. To lead yourself, use your head. To lead others, use your heart. Leaders do not succeed alone. You have to build a good team. One of the best things you can do is bringing a few key people into your inner cycle. A potential leader is determined by those closest to them. Leading well is not about empowering yourself, it's about empowering others. You must help them to reach their potential, being on their side, encouraging them, helping them to succeed. Enlarging them makes you larger. People do what they see. When you show the way in the right action, your followers will copy you. Nothing is more convincing than living out what you say. Example is leadership.
That's Ilham.
Hi guys. In order to be a leader and grow up yourself, you need to sacrifice something in your life. You need to sacrifice time, maybe you need to sacrifice money. This is what the leader did. They sacrificed things in their life to achieve their vision. The more responsibility that you have, it means that the greater sacrifice that you have to do. The most important thing that leaders should have is know the timing. There are 4 things that people usually do in their professional life. The third is take the wrong decision in the right time. This is what happened when people have to cut loss their business or shut down their business. People don't want to take the risk. So what happened afterwards is their loss is getting higher. So we need to take the last thing, that is number 4. Take the right decision in the right time. Being a leader is not to tell people what to do. Being a leader is about making a difference in other people's life. Being a leader is about to develop a new leader. If you only spread your influence to a group of people, your influence just belongs to this group of people. But if you develop a new leader, and this new leader can impact to other people that you can reach, your influence will getting higher and getting bigger. It means that it's very important for a leader to develop new leader to make a bigger impact. So you have to do the 3 things. The first is develop yourself, second is develop your team, and third is develop new leader. If you want to make an impact for the future generation, you need to think about how to create a legacy. So this legacy can still make impact even though you don't belong anymore to that legacy or that work. But the most important thing to still run the legacy, you have to develop a leader so that leader can run your legacy and your impact can be impacted to future generation. So that was 4 laws that really changed my leadership experience. Guys, thank you very much. This would be very cool.